is the room. I mean, look at my closet. And all it is really my crap. So we had a trip, our anniversary trip that we went on. And I'm ashamed to say it was about 2 weeks ago. And I haven't unpacked my stuff. So mostly cleaning my closet is just unpacking. And I want to go ahead and change out my summer to my winter stuff. Okay, so I just got the luggage to unpack, and then I went ahead and pulled out my big bag of winter clothes, so I can go ahead and put those away as well. I need to get another bag for the summer stuff to go with. Let me go grab it. Okay, so here's my vacuum seal bag that I put in my summer stuff. Now I can't put too much stuff away because we are going on a cruise in a couple of weeks, so I need to keep this bag handy. Yeah. All right. Look. So right now I'm just taking out all the summer stuff and I'll go back and organize that later with the winter stuff. Not in that one, nothing in that one. Definitely have some items to purge, so those are gonna go in the corner right now till I go through my daughter's stuff and find her stuff to be purged, and then I'll put it all in a bag to take it to Goodwill. So I got 2 bags of my summer stuff all done. I accidentally broke this one, so it doesn't vacuum seal, but it doesn't need to. I'm just gonna throw it in my attic anyway. It does seal up, it just doesn't constrict like this one does, but it's fine. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these to the attic and wash some clothes next. It's a laundry day. When is it not a laundry day? Nice clean floor and all the summer stuff taken down and put away. And then that is my pile to go to Goodwill. Now I'm gonna do my daughter's room and put her clothes that need to go to Goodwill in there too. I hope this video brought you a little inspiration and motivation to tackle some cleaning or finally start that project you've been putting off. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, just make progress. See you in the next one. And that's it. Guys, thanks for watching.